Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of locking your Facebook profile for enhanced privacy and security. Whether you're worried about strangers or just want to limit who can see your content, this guide will help you take control of your online presence. Step 1. Access your Facebook profile. Open Facebook in your web browser or launch the Facebook app on your Android, iPhone, iPad, or computer. Sign into your account if requested. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Click your profile picture or name to go to your profile page. Find the three-dot icon, usually near the top of your profile, and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Lock Profile. Step 3. Activate Profile Lock. A message will appear, explaining how profile locking works. Confirm by clicking Lock Your Profile. Note, what happens when you lock your profile? Your past and future posts, photos, and stories will only be visible to your friends. Only friends can click on your profile or cover photo to see the full-sized version. Profile reviews and tags are enabled to prevent others from adding tagged content to your profile. Most of the About section on your profile is only visible to friends. Hopefully this information will help you secure your social network account. Thanks for watching.